Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello? Yes, I hear you.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm really fine. Thank you very much. You just made my day. I have to do this. I don't. But here I came is only white. Google Pro is taking some time to load.
Okay. Actually, this is the large file. In here, you can see this is the large file, and this file is the total 254 megabyte. Okay, and here you can see there are the total 17 province. Okay, and this is the big file, so that's why I want to make the every each province. Okay, then we can just open all of the province in our Google Earth Pro. Okay, then I think it will be okay as a layer. So in this time I will try to show you that how you can easily make this KML file or KMZ file for the forest area. Okay, so I will share my screen. Wait a minute, I share my screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
No, I don't see your screen. Now I see. It's loading.
Okay. So can you see my screen now? Yeah.
Yes, I see your screen.
Okay. So you can see here. So
recording in progress.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. So that you can easily practice and make this file like this. Okay. So you can see here. So first of all,
nice. Thank you very much.
Okay. So
it's difficult. I can just hop.
Okay. So you can see here. First of all, I just imported in your shape file. Okay. Actually, this is your. Now. Can you hear me now?
I hear you, but yes, I hear.
Okay, so you can see here. First of all, I just imported your shape file. You can provide me the different 7th province. Yeah. So first of all, I just using this QGIS software. You can see.
Yeah.
I use here the QGIS software for make the KMZ file. You can see. I just actually in this time here the network issue and it's not clear in here. So I hope you understand. So you can see here, just first of all, I just open your KM file or KMZ file in my QGIS software. Okay, I just open it in here. Then I make a shape file. Okay, from this I just make a shape file, and it's very easy. Just you can simply click on this KML file and then export as a shape file. Okay, then you can simply click to here. Then you can see here this the export save feature as a shape file. You can just save feature as a shape file. Then I simply just imported this shape file in my Earth engine. Okay, so here I already import your shape file, and this is the very easy. Just you can simply click on the asset, and from this asset just you can simply click to the new. From this shape file, actually you can just imported the shape file. Okay, so first of all, I just convert your KMZ file into the shape file. Okay, then I just import this shape file in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, then you can see here I use the dataset. This dataset is the Hansen Global Forest dataset. Okay, I just use this dataset, and then I simply clip with my shape file. So my shape file ROI. So just I simply use the clip function. Then I simply put here my ROI. Okay, and this dataset has some band. One band is the loss, another band is the gain, and another band is the tree cover. So from the loss band, we can identify the forest which forest will be lost
Okay.
we can easily identify using this band. Okay, the gain, this gain band, it mainly provide you all of the gain areas which area will be get the forest. Okay, and this is the tree cover, so we can from this band we can get all of the whole cover. Okay, so then I simply use this code, you can see here. And now it will be provided here, you can see there is the 3 layer gain and loss. From this we can see the gain and loss together, and then you can also see here the gain, then loss, and this is the forest cover. So mainly this area will be forest cover. Okay, and between this forest cover I just convert this forest cover as a KMZ file. Okay, so KMZ file you can see here. So for this, and I also calculated the total area of the forest cover. Okay, so here you can see tree cover. So tree cover, I just simply select here the tree cover. It means that it cover. Okay, and it is stored under this
Vectorize. I understand.
Yeah.
You vectorize it to see to know the area, and then what to do? Can you repeat?
So
please, I don't hear you.
Then you can see here. I hope now you can hear me. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Now I hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
So actually in this time here the networking issue, so that's why it takes some problem. So but you can see I convert in the vector, and after this I want to make down export this vector file as a KML format. So for this I simply use this function export table to drive. Okay, then I simply, you can see this is my collection shape, and this is the variable. This variable store my vector. You can see I use this code for convert these tip images as a vector. Okay, and it will be stored under this variable shape. Okay, so this is my collection. So that's why I simply use here the shape, and then description, you can write your description, anything what you need. Just you can, this is the file name, and if you want to store this folder, you can just create a folder name, and which name you included here, it will be automatically created this name on your Google Earth on your Google Drive. Okay, then you can see also select the file format is the KML. When everything is okay, I just click to the run. Okay, and then I simply go to the task tab. So in this time here network is the some probleming, so that's why it not showing here. Okay, I will try to again.
Are you recording this explanation?
You can also
you
can also get this recording, and I also send you this code link. Okay, so that when you easily work with this code link, and you can easily, you can see when it will be done, we can simply go to the Google Drive. Okay, we can go to the Google Drive, and from the Google Drive we can easily download this as a KML file. Okay, and I will send you this code in this time. So I simply copy this code link, and now you can, I hope you already have the Earth Engine account. Yeah, do you have already Earth Engine account? So now you just import your shape file. Okay, just you import your shape file and then work with this. Okay, and I will send you this code link, and you can try to this, and have face any problem, just knock me. Okay, and when you completed all of the things one by one, then we can easily make the layer. Then I easily make the layer all of the part. Okay, so then we can easily make the layer all of this part and work with this. Okay, so in this time here my networking problem issue, so that's why it will be not loading, but I will send you this code, and you can just try to implement this code in your code editor in Earth Engine. Okay. So in this time here the networking issue, I think, and I already downloaded your KML file. You can see this is the one area KML file I already downloaded. You can see, and open the Google Earth Pro. Okay, and open it. And when you downloaded all of the KML file, and you can easily open all of the file in your Google Earth Pro. Okay, and we can also add here.
This I have.
Yeah.
Sorry, I having problems to open because it's very slow, and it's white, and I don't see the polygons, the vectors.
Yeah, so actually this is the large file, so that's why I think it will be take some time, and I already opened this file, so that's my computer also will be hang. Okay, so that's why because this is the very large file in here, this KML file. Okay, so you can work slowly, so I hope it will be, you can easily cover this problem.
So how I see the area, the forest area in Google Pro now?
So first of all, you just KML file, just you can download all of the KML file for your East province. Then you can see here this KML file. What is the KML file? This KML file represented our forest area. This KML file represented our forest area. You can see I can get this code. You can see tree cover. Okay, so tree cover is the represented, this band is for my forest area. So just I convert this forest area as a vector, then I make the KML file. Okay, then it will be okay. And then we can easily import this KML file in the Google Earth Pro and this software. And we can also other work. Suppose if you want, you can also add some other attribute in here. Suppose if you want, you can also add some attribute, how many area will be in here for the forest area. Then we can also, after when I completed all of the tasks in the Google Earth engine, then we can easily import this KML file in our Google Earth Pro and work with this. Okay.
So can you zoom or select some province? Here is very slow. I can't see the vectors.
Yeah, so it's very slowly working with this Indian time in here, and I also try to show you that. So in this time my computer also be hanged, so for this
I will try to save just one province and open just one province. Maybe it's more fast, maybe up here.
So you can see all of the white place will be represented the forest area. Yeah, and you can see this is the also river. It will be showing the like this, the another color. Okay, and where there is the no forest or build up area, we can see there is the no white color. Okay, so it means that there is the no forest area.
If you zoom, can you zoom? Because is appearing all lights. Is there is forest area because.
And this is the very large file, so that's why it takes some time for the rendering. Okay. So
rendering. Yes, you take some time for the rendering.
Yeah. So.
But you. What you do? You take the KMZ that I pass you, and you transform into other formats. And you pass to Google Engine.
So you can see I write this code. Okay, so now you can just easily using this code for your all of the province. Okay, for all of the province.
Sorry, but you can repeat what you do in the beginning. How you export the file or convert the file in the beginning to put in the Google Engine. So, how to pass the KMZ?
Okay, so what first of all, you can see here, you send me all of the KMZ file. Yeah, you can send me. I also try to show you that from the beginning. You can see here. I also remove all of the things from here. Okay. And I also try to show you from the first. Okay, so first of all I just open the QGIS this software, and then I just, you can see, you send me this total 17 province. Okay, you can send me. Okay, so I just simply open this file. Suppose in this time I work with this for this area, so just I simply open this file in my QGIS software. Okay, I just drag and import in here, so you can see it will be imported.
I will download this software just a minute. Google Earth Pro is not working so well in the rendering. I can just take the SKMZ file that you passed me and open in the Google engine.
No. So first of all, you need to convert this file from KML to shapefile, KM to S3 shapefile.
Yes, that's what I was trying to understand. I will download here. Is fast.
Yeah. So for this, you can see here, you send me this KML file, and I using this QGIS software for convert this KML file into S3 shapefile. I use this QGIS, okay, for this.
Yes, I downloading here this software. Just a minute. But can you open the file that you send me in Fever on your browser on the Google engine? Because maybe the rendering is so much better in the Google.
You can see this area. Okay, you can send me this area as a KMZ file. Okay, so now I convert this KMZ file into S3 shapefile. So I can simply import this file in here. Then I simply click to here. You can see. Then export. You can see save feature as. I simply click to here. Save feature as, and then you can see S3 shapefile. Okay, S3 shapefile. Okay. Because this shapefile is supported in Google Earth Engine platform. So when you want to import this file, you must be convert it in the S3 shapefile. So that's why I simply use here the S3 shapefile, and I also provide. Suppose I want to save this file in. I set my location or path. Suppose I want to in here, and I want to make the new layer, new folder. I want to make a new folder, and gap this folder is the ROI. Between this folder, I want to save my shapefile. Okay. So and I also give this shapefile. Suppose this is the lages. Okay. I simply use the lages. Okay. So then I simply click to the save. Then everything is okay. Just I click to OK. You can see this is the OK. So now you can see a new shapefile. This shapefile will be created. Okay. This shapefile will be created. You can see, and I have already created this folder in here. This folder name is the ROI. Okay. So you can see this shapefile will be created. Okay. This is the shapefile. Okay. So now I use this shapefile. I use this shapefile in my Google Earth Engine platform. So I simply just simply open my Google Earth Engine account. I also take a new code editor. So I also try to show you this here. You can see
yes, I see, but I don't hear you now.
You can see it will be open, and I can simply click to the asset tab. You can see this is the asset tab. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I hear it.
Okay. So I hear simply click to the asset. I just import this shapefile which I created. Okay. So it's a lot of probleming in this time because slow of net connection.
Okay. In Google Earth Pro, I don't think I will